Okay, so here we are in the first floor bathroom and working on taking down the ceiling and such, and I noticed that, which is knobbing 2, and which of course I'm not surprised. It's a 120-year-old house. It's like if it didn't have knobbing 2 somewhere, it'd be kind of shocking, but it shouldn't be used. So I grab my nice little beeper and I turn it on, and then I put it here. These bastards, they're actually using this. Like, oh, that is going to be a pain nightmare to not trace all these things, figure out what, and remove. Oh well, I guess that's just what you get with a really, really old house.